we weren't talking about it enough because we weren't, confident in what it was delivering. Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm from StartTech. We're a managed service provider based in the West Midlands. We look after around, I think, just under 70 clients from a variation of sectors. We don't actually specialize in any verticals. For us, it's about taking IT and cybersecurity seriously. The previous platform actually took quite a lot of configuration. I think we found ourselves actually spending quite a bit more time in the platform configuring it and getting it to do things, whether it's sending, cycles of phishing simulation emails or, setting up all sorts of security awareness training videos campaigns. We actually spent our time configuring that more so than looking at the important part, which I'd say looking at the data, analyzing it, identifying, potential areas for improvement and then addressing those. When we're looking at alternative solutions to kind of really level up what we can offer clients in terms of security awareness training, we came across usecure. Now, we've been quite, I believe, an early adopter of usecure. We came across the platform, and one of the challenges we went to them with was that sort of time investment that we've been spending to, get ongoing campaigns out in terms of the training, ongoing simulations, and even for us as well, one thing is looking for a company that we want to partner with. We don't just look at our vendors as suppliers or vendors as such. We're looking for a true partnership, and the engagement we got from the very beginning really showed what type of partnership it would be with them. Our account managers have the reports and the information that they review with their clients in their QBRs, and the clients can actually see value from that then, because we're spending the time talking about it, analyzing the data. On the videos, it always makes me laugh. I don't really get to go out to site anymore, but in the first year or two when we implemented it, I was going out to site a little bit, and I would walk into offices at clients, and the certificates you get from doing the training video, they would be printed on the wall, and there was like internal competitions where people were trying to print off as many as they can with their name on it and stick it to the offices. It just got me, and seeing that impact, it just made me laugh. And also it kind of showed the impact of choosing the right solution, that people are seeing the value. It's actually gave them something to do, and they all felt quite proud of all their certificates. If another MSP came to me and asked about usecure, I'd 100% recommend usecure because of the value from the platform at the price point that they also offer it at. It is unbelievable. The features, I'll summarize them, again, you've got uLearn, you've got uFish, you've got uPolicy, you've got uBreach, and then uBreach Pro, and they're always adding in new features. It's one of the platforms that you can really demonstrate value to clients because it is extremely visible. They can tangibly see something from that, and it's very relevant to them, and it's something more and more businesses are actually looking for. And one thing I say outside the actual product itself is the partnership with usecure, and our account manager, regular check-ins, touch base, anything that they can do to support us and our team, whether that's on the technical side, the sales side, the marketing side. The partnership, is massively important to us. It's not always just about the product. Partnership goes a long way as well, and I would say usecure is up there with one of our top vendors on the partnership front.